Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Alyssa, if you haven't been here already. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the BH Cosmetics Sweet Shop palettes. I got 3 of them. I didn't get all 6, but I got the cotton candy, the pistachio, and then the sugar cone. So we're gonna do a look with each of these and see what we can come up with. If you want to see what I come up with, then just keep watching. Go ahead and take off my glasses. So last night I tried to film the cotton candy one before it got dark, and it got dark and I had some issues, so we're gonna just redo that. Oh, I'm putting on the Milani Eye Primer. I also got the brushes. And here they are. Oh, I got 2 more somewhere. Okay, so these are all of the brushes. I used some of them, but I cleaned them off. The red kind of, or the pink kind of stains a little bit, so just be aware of that if you do get these brushes, because it kind of stain where it's white, it kind of stain the tips of them. So alright, so I'm going to go in with Confection first in my crease. Alright, so now we got that in the crease. I'm going to take Light and Airy and I'm going to put that on my outside corner. Alright, and I'm going to take Swirl and put that in the center of my lid. Alright, now I'm going to take Twirl right here, this pink, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner. Alright, I'm going to clean up underneath my eye, or just mainly the corners. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and do my lower lash line for 2 of these to save some time. And then the last one I'll put on the full face and everything and be all prettied up. I'm just going to take the Light and Airy shade and I'm going to put that underneath my lash line. And I'm just going to take Twirl and I'm just going to put that on my inner corner as well. Alright, I'm going to throw on some mascara and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the first eye look. That's what it looks like. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean my brushes, take this off, and I'll be back to do the Pistachio Palette. Hey y'all, I'm back. We're going to get into the Pistachio Palette, and that's what it looks like. First I'm going to take Soft Serve right here, and I'm going to put that in my crease. And I'm going to take, well, let me put on my eye primer first. I'm going to use different brushes so that it doesn't stain my brushes green as well. Alright, so I'm taking Soft Serve here and putting that in my crease. And I'm using a Sigma E38. Alright, I'm taking my Sigma E42 and I'm going to go into Nutty right here. And I'm going to put that on the outside corner. I'm going to take Sweet Life right here, and I'm going to put that on the other half of my lid. Alright, I'm taking that Nutty shade and I'm going to go up underneath my lash line. So I'm going to take Sweet Life and I'm going to put that on my inner corner. Now I'm going to put on my Essence Lash Princess mascara. I'm just going to do a quick coat. Alright, so this is the look with the Pistachio Palette. Close my eyes and let you see. Everything's been performing great other than the pink stain in my brushes. I've had no issue with any of them. They've all went on just perfectly, smoothly. So, alright, let's try out our sugar cone next. I'm gonna clean off my eyes real quick and I'll be back for us to do a full look with the sugar cone palette. Hey y'all, I'm back. We're gonna get into the sugar cone palette. I'm pretty excited about this one, even though it's just a brown palette. I think it's super cute. So I'm gonna put on a little bit of the Milani Eye Primer. My eyes are a little sore. I'm going to take Sugar Rush, the lightest brown in here, and put that on my crease, or in my crease technically. This might be too light, I don't know. I'm going to take Delicious, the next brown, and put that in my crease, just darken it up a little bit. I'm going to take Homemade, the deepest shade, and I'm going to put that on my outer corner. Now I'm going to take cinnamon and I'm going to put that in the middle of my eye. Now I'm going to take cookie dough and I'm going to put that on my inner corner. Alright, so now I'm going to hop off here and I'm going to do my face makeup and everything, and then we'll be back to do the lower lash line. Hey y'all, I'm back again. We're going to finish up the eyes and then I'll talk about kind of what I think about this collection. I'm going to go into kind of a mixture of homemade and these two, homemade and toasted, down here at the bottom, and put that underneath my eye. And I'm going to take that same cookie dough that I put on the inner corner, and I'm going to put it in my inner corner. Alright, now I'm going to throw on some Essence Lash Princess mascara. And I'm going to put on the Colourpop Lippie Stick in Cookie. And I'm going to set my face with the Milani Fruit Fetish, Make It Last, and Mango Coconut. Alright, so that's all the looks. I wanted to talk a little bit about the palettes. They're $18 a piece, and they look in the pictures, they look like they were really small, but they actually have decent sized pans. I think it's twice the size of what a Colourpop pan would be, so they have real big pan sizes, so you're getting quite a bit for your $18. I mean, you're not getting as many shades as what one of their other palettes, but you're getting more product in each pan, is what I'm saying. There's three more. I can't remember what all of them are. One's cherry on top, orange sherbet, and I can't remember what the blue one is, but there's an orange, a blue, and a red one is the other ones. And they blended out beautifully. The shimmers worked great. I was able to use my brush with them instead of having to use my finger. That's what I love about BH Cosmetics palettes. And their formula is their shimmers are so easy to work with. I mean, you don't have to spray your brush, you don't have to use your finger. The only thing you need is a flat brush like this. Like this works perfect. So this is the E54 medium sweeper from Sigma. So I think they worked perfectly, beautifully. I would definitely recommend, if you're looking into buying one of these, to snatch it up because they're really great palettes. I think that's all that I need to say about them. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel, become a part of our family. Also, ring the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And I guess I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.